Good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. My name's Steve.
And I'm Kendall.
And you're watching Ram Beast Projects. We're on our way to a local car show, but if you missed the last video, we got American Force wheels. Always going, always going. I was up at 6:30 cleaning this truck, spooning it up for this local car show. We'll probably be the only diesel at this show, but we're gonna go have a good time. And hopefully it doesn't rain, because it doesn't look that great out here right now. It's supposed to rain tonight, but hopefully it doesn't.
I hope not.
Right now we're gonna run to Home Depot, grab some stuff. Kendall needs a new chair, and then we're gonna head to the show.
It's Franklin!
Oh yeah, this bumblebee has been here for like days, chilling. Don't let him go in the house. After it rains and you have all this debris and road crap on the ground, and you just clean your truck for a show, you have to stay centered on the road. And I'm sure the side of this truck's gonna be filthy by the time I get to the show. All right, guys, we're here. Kendall got her chair, and as you can see, I got mud already. Even driving so carefully. Look. On the grass because I'm so big. And I got this jalopy sitting next to me. I don't know, guys. Little frustrated. But we're gonna make the best of the day. I'm also part next to fire trucks. Can't. Seriously. We'll make the best of the day. Truck's finally wiped down. Wheels look good. Put some silk shine on there from Chemical Guys. I only do that during shows. One good thing about being next to these guys is I used to be a volunteer firefighter here way long time ago. So what do you think, Heddy?
It looks sharp. I like it.
Kendall, we need you to do the laundry. Should be able to do it real quick. Get home in like what, 5 minutes? What just happened, Kendall, when we were trying to get some cinematic drone footage?
Well, let's just say the drone ran into something.
I flew the drone into the side of the truck. It was saying the batteries were dead, but I canceled the return to home because I just wanted to get one more, like, I don't even know what kind of shot you would call it. It's where you fly right up to the object and then you go right over top of it and keep going. Well, I flew and it said automatic landing or something, and I went right into the side of the truck. Thank God not the body of the truck, but the actual window. I just put some marks in the window. No, it didn't break the window. And the drone seems to be intact, so I think we're safe there. But we had a good time at the show, right? It's nice seeing all those classic cars.
Mm-hmm. Some of them are really cool.
Kendall's got to go to a sleepover dance party tonight.
Yeah.
And then I got to go over to one of my subscribers. His name's 8Lug Doug. 8Lug Doug. He's got a 2006 Ram 2500 with the Mighty Cummins. And he was having issues with his headlights. Meaning he's still running the incandescent original stock crappy bulbs. So Headlight Revolution's hooking him up with a kit. They're like dual function too. I think they have high and low beams in them. Person's gonna hit me. All right. First time I ever did an installation on anything besides a 4th gen Ram when it comes to the Rams. So it should be interesting. It looked pretty simple. I was checking out Headlight Revolution's install video. It looks a lot easier than the 4th gens actually. And we're gonna be doing switchbacks for our signals. What are you eating there?
Yes.
Yep, we're at Rita's and Gap. I got cookies and cream. What'd you get?
I got cotton candy Italian ice.
That's what you get every time.
I have to say it's my favorite flavor.
So now we're on the way to drop off Kendall. I got some really bad news. Ram Air 1, the Mavic Pro, the drone is out of commission for a while. The gimbal, there's like a mounting plate above the gimbal for the camera, and that got bent. So luckily it's only like a $20 part, so I should be able to fix it on my own. Fingers crossed. The camera still has a camera feed and everything's functioning with that, although there was another issue. I don't know. We'll see. It was a pretty bad wreck. And what happened, the crazy thing is that I was flying. I was just trying to get one more flyover, and the battery levels were dropping. So it went into automatic landing mode, and instead of continuing going up, it went right into the truck. But in true PA fashion, it is officially raining again and miserable outside. I had to throw the sweatshirt on. I can't keep this truck clean to save my life. Have fun.
Love you. If I ever get my pillow out of this truck.
Call me if you need anything. Love you. All right, let's go. We're here. I'm sure the truck's a freaking mess right now. Dude.
Well, you're really run over my Chevy.
I'm watching the roost just shoot up the side of the truck all the way here. This thing was clean. This is for you, bud.
Awesome.
Courtesy of Rambeast Projects and Headlight Revolution.
You are the man.
we got thunder coming on.
The rain stopped just in time. Thank you.
You're welcome, man.
Much, much appreciated. I'm so excited. Wow. This is crazy.
So these are the load resistors for your switchbacks.
Right.
Maybe your switchbacks. I got you some keychains too.
Oh,
and guess what? These aren't even on the website yet.
Really?
The wife hasn't had a chance to put these on the website, so you're the first one getting one of those. I don't even have one on my keychains yet.
I'm putting it on as soon as we're done opening these things up. Wow. And then these are turn signals?
Yep, they're your switchbacks. They go from white to yellow.
Incredible. That's awesome. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, where do you see the difference with their stuff, man?
Yeah, I was watching that video.
They definitely do their homework before they start selling a product.
Wow. Awesome. We should get started. This is the perfect example. You see this meme on Instagram all the time. Where's the 10mm socket? There's a 3/8 where the 10mm is supposed to be.
Well, you probably put it there. You probably put it there.
All right, so Doug's just going to remove this 10mm bolt, that 10mm. Doug's going to remove this 10mm bolt and this 10mm bolt, and then there's one inside the fender where there's a little dust cover right there. He's going to pop that off, and there's another one inside there. And then we're going to remove the headlight and get to business.
There is no nut on that.
No?
No.
That could be. Well, it should come out then if there's no nut.
Yeah.
Things you discover.
Yeah. Yep.
Huh.
There she
That looks
is.
very easy.
There she is. Turn signal.
It's gotta go.
Yep. I don't know why
Looks
there's
like someone already tapped into this before.
Yeah. The things you find with a 12-year-old vehicle.
There's a little lock. You gotta push that down, a little clip, and then pull it out.
And then this just should pop right out.
Good. Just want to make sure something real quick. All right, good. Okay, I got the right one.
Awesome. One of these, and one of these, and one of these.
Yep.
There's no way that's coming apart. Just a push fit.
All right.
Get them lined up. Nice little click.
Nice and tight. And that's going to plug into your factory wire harness.
And then this is where the zip tie comes into play to hold that all together.
Just going to go right between the two wires. And he's going to zip tie that up there to lock it in place so it doesn't come unplugged.
Make sure it's on that collar. Nice and tight. Just throw some tape around it. You should, oh, he walked in and you said you brought strippers.
What?
I brought strippers.
So you need strippers?
Yeah.
Next door.
I'm up at next door, guys. See you. Strippers are next door.
Some strippers around here.
So Doug's just going to mount the load resistor for the turn signal, and then we're going to tap the ground and then the green and white wire. Where are you going to put it? I've seen them put them there.
Yeah, but this is that's solid.
Yeah, that's
if I put
thick.
it here, I just don't want it to get in the way of the light going back in. Yes.
That doesn't have to be grounded.
Oh, it doesn't. It can go anywhere.
No, that's why I was saying you can double side tape that. That's usually what I do, and I'll double side tape it right here, so it's out of the way and you don't see it.
Might be better off.
It gave me 3M double
Oh,
sided.
that's perfect, dude.
If that's not for this.
What I usually do is zip tie this.
Oh, to the other loom.
Yeah, to the harness here to keep it loose.
Okay.
Makes it easier getting the headlight in and out.
So we're gonna put this resistor right here with the 3M tape. Nice and sticky. I'm gonna slide this one in.
Doug tapped the wires. He tapped the black wire for the ground, and he tapped the white wire with the green line going through it. As you can see, the load resistors mount it nicely. Double-sided tape, that's all you need. You can drill down into that metal there with the self-tappers they come with.
Switchback turn signal. Gonna pop it right in. Gonna plug this one in. Nice tight fit.
I think you're getting close.
Yeah, a little bit.
There you go. Should be all right now. Just want to let it sit there and we'll just test it real quick.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna test them. Wow.
Incredible.
Look at that difference. Those guys at Headlight Revolution really know what they're doing. And did you know you can get a 10% discount if you check out the description below? If you use the discount code RAMBEAST, check it out, 10% off for my subscribers. All right, let's check the. Oh, there we go. Switchbacks are working. Looks like you installed it correctly, Doug. So now that we tested them, we're just going to do some wire management here, clean this up, do some zip tie these wires together, make it nice and pretty, and then we're going to repeat the process on the other side. All right, guys, it's going down.
Hopefully it doesn't bug your camera out.
Oh, wow.
So much brighter. It's incredible. I can't thank you enough. And Headlight Revolution.
I
Big
love
difference.
them. Yeah,
Big difference.
absolutely.
No more yellow.
No more yellow.
That's awesome.
So tell us about your truck.
Motor wise, it's got a industrial injection, second gen swap with a Borg Warner S464 ARP head studs, BD intake, 50% over injectors. It's got 2-inch drop shackles in the back, plus the overload leaf taken out. EFI Live by Hardway Performance. That's pretty much it.
Who built your transmission?
The training was built at Muldoon's. John Muldoon, super good guy. I'd recommend him to anyone out there. Does great work.
Doug and I actually met off of Instagram, and his Instagram account is 8LugDoug. That's a pretty cool name, if you ask me. It's a pretty good name. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, smash that
subscribe button.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you, Headlight Revolution.
And we'll see you at the next upload. Love you guys.